Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So a lot of people confused as to whether there are still available forms in the system that they can buy and apply to school. Yes, there are still a lot of forms in the system that you can buy and apply to school. If you are looking for it to apply to any school, stick with me in this video whilst I give a full update of all the universities or all the schools that their forms are still available in the system that you can apply and go to the school of your choice. If this is the kind of content you like, do me the honor, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notification bell so to get notified anytime I release a new video. My name is Desmond. You can call me Don Holy. I'm an educational coach. I guide students that want to apply to new tertiary institutions in the country. And I have a group on WhatsApp as well that I do that. So you join the group. It's for free. You learn about each and every program at a tertiary institution, what you can become after pursuing these programs, and why you should choose the program. And if you want to do birth certificate, you want to do your passport, you want to buy form and fill, you want to check your results, and anything that is regarding your education, for free, pick up my number, contact me, and I'll take you through. Now let's move right into the video. So a lot of people think that the nursing and midwifery forms are still the same as what the other tertiary forms, I mean the universities and the teacher training college form. No, each of them have different deadlines. Okay, each of them have different deadlines. If you've watched my previous video, I've explained and tell you when exactly students will be reporting to school. So currently, as I speak to you, admission is still ongoing for all universities. All universities together with the teacher training college. And if you want to apply to any of 48 teacher training colleges in the country, the form is still available. If you want to purchase the form, you can visit the nearest bank and purchase the form. And you can purchase the form from me as well, okay? But the good thing is that if you purchase the form from me, I will take my time, fill the form for you, do the posting for you, basically do everything for you. You have the chance to be part of my group where you have updates on each and every school or each and every form that you have bought. If you lose the voucher as well, you can as well DM me and I would give the vouchers because I have everyone's voucher in my database. And for the universities, the forms are still available. Okay, so if you complete school right now, you're writing what's in, you want to apply and are waiting students, the chance is still there. You can still apply. If you've completed some years after and you are looking forward to apply to school, the chance is still there. You can still apply to the school of your choice. These are the forms available as at the moment. For the public universities, we have Amstead, formerly called UEW. We have UEW itself, University of Education Winneba. We have University of Cape Coast, popularly referred to as what? University of Competitive Choice or University of what? Constant Confusion. It's not my word though, that is what they said. Remember, we have Legon, we have KNUST, we have UDS. All the public universities. We have GIMPA, we have UPSA, which is all the University of Professional Studies. It's a business school, so those of you who are looking forward to apply and read business, go to UPSA. You read what? Proper business. And if the same thing you want to read proper business, apply to what? UCC. These two schools, if you want to read proper business, go to these two schools. All the public universities in the country, their forms are still available. When you come to the private universities also, they are all of them, their forms are still available. Now, when are these forms getting out of the system? When is the closing date? A lot of people have been asking this question. For teacher training college, they have a way they admit their people, okay? So they close the admission partially along the line and they open it again. So latest by 1st October, we are hoping that they'll close it, okay? They'll close the portal. Then they'll open it again when the SHS graduate, when WASI result is about to get out. So they'll open it again and people can apply. So from now to WASI result is out, you can apply to teacher training college. My number is displayed right on your screen. If you want to apply, pick it up and contact me. And for the public universities, their forms are still out until WASI result is out. Do not be deceived by a lot of people. Their forms are still out. The forms will be out. You can still buy your form today, do your application today. From now till WASI result is out. I personally, I sell the forms. I fill the forms. I have a lot of students. I have over 2,000 students on WhatsApp that have been guiding. Okay, so I sell the forms to them. I do the application for them, and they have been seeing the results. Currently, as I speak with you, I have over 80% of those that are full form for the nursing training colleges. All of them have gained admission, and all of them were under my tutelage, under the preparation for the interviews that they went for before they gained admission. So I taught them, and I can categorically tell you that they have gained admission and they are going to school. Okay, so feel free to pick up my number. Do not be afraid. This is a scam-free zone, and you would know that no scammer will put camera on him or herself and be filming himself, explaining things to you. Never. I am not a scammer. This is the one you are seeing at the background, and I'm the one who operates everything. So pick up my number, contact me, and I will help you out. When it comes to technical universities, their forms are still out until WASU result is out. Even technical universities, they don't close immediately WASU result is out. They wait probably like a month after WASU result is out before they close the portal. Okay, they wait like after a month when WASU result is out before they close the portal. So for technical universities, there's a high chance that you can apply and gain admission. And the private universities, there are a lot of private universities. The admission is still ongoing from now until WASI result is out. It will close their portal in February. So from now till February, or let's say later part of January, you must buy your form and apply. Okay. But here's the clue for all universities. Okay, here's the clue. 1 week after the release of WASI results, the portal will be shut down completely, which literally means that 1 week after WASI result is out, you cannot apply to any school. So if you're looking forward to apply from now till WASI result is out, which will be somewhere later part of November or early December, I urge you, pick up your form, apply to the school of your choice, program of your dream, go to school. If this is your kind of content, please do me the honor, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notification bell so I get notified and release any video. And if you're looking forward to buy stuff that you take to school, this is the right place. I am importer. I import things from outside the country and I sell in Ghana. So if you want to buy the rice cooker, your fridges, your blenders, anything at all that you need, my number is displaying right on your screen. Pick it up, join my group, and purchase the items from me. Okay, every month there are goods coming in. Every month there are goods coming in. You can even pre-order them at a very affordable price. That when the goods arrive, you just pay the shipping fee and I'll deliver them to you nationwide. Wherever you are, I do nationwide delivery, and you will have your item just like you wanted at a very affordable price. You don't have to wait until it's time for you to go to school. Then you go to the market and buy them at a very expensive price. Okay, pick up my number, this right on your screen. Contact me and let's get it done.